Well, it's been a rough couple of months with all this stormy weather and rain that we've been having, and Wales has been no exception. And trying to get any hunting footage on camera has ended up being a complete washout every time I've tried. But it's still windy today, but the rain has backed off for a little while, so I've decided to take this opportunity and see if I can shoot a couple of magpies from the cover of this shed here. I'm using my trusty terible again today, set at 30 foot-pound FAC levels. And the farm here has changed since last time I was here, and the closest I can get to where the magpies are landing up is 60 yards. So I decided to bring along my shooting sticks, and I get myself set up here. I've not had to wait long before these two magpies here drop in. I decided to go for the one on the left, and I set the crosshairs on its chest and drop it with a nice clean heart and lung shot there. I swing onto the second, and just as I'm about to squeeze the trigger, a big gust of wind lifts and pushes my pellet over the top of this magpie's head, resulting in a clean miss. A short while later, and this magpie here pitches in. I'm just waiting for it to turn its head to give me a nice clear aim, and when it does, I slip the trigger and drop it cleanly with a headshot. Further on into the day, and these two magpies here land up. And I'm just deciding which one I'm going to take aim at, as they're both moving around. And I decide for the one on the left hand side of the screen. But I allow too much for the wind here, and as I squeeze the trigger, the pellet misses over the top of this magpie's head, resulting in a clean miss. And they both flew off before I got a chance to take another shot at them. The weather conditions are far from ideal today, and as you can see from this footage here of me filming the trees in the background, that wind is really strong. It's making it very difficult. I set the crosshairs here on this magpie, and just as I'm about to slip the trigger, it flies off. This one follows in the same footsteps. Again, as I'm about to squeeze the trigger, it flies off to safety before I even get a chance to take a shot. I continue to wait patiently for any more birds that may land up, and my patience is rewarded here when these two final magpies of the day pitch in. I settle the crosshairs on this one on the left here and follow it as it makes its way up the roof. As soon as it stands still and gives me an opportunity, I slip the trigger for a heart and lung shot and drop it nice and cleanly there. Well, that's the last one of the day. Let's go and see how we've gotten on. Well, it's been a really windy day today. Stormy, and it's promising more storms coming this afternoon with us here in Wales. Everything's getting battered about here today with this wind. Even the birds are getting battered about, it's so bad here. Let's go and see how we've gotten on. You can see a couple of the magpies I've shot here now. That one there was the second one I've shot. With a nice clean shot for the heart and lungs. That one there was the third. And this one here is the fourth. All nice clean kills, even in this wind. I was probably about 60 yards away. But I can see, just to show you the first one that I shot, which is up on the roof there. Which I need to get the farmer to lift the forklift to collect that one. And that's it. It's been a good day's hunting. and 4 magpies to boot. So I'm going to finish up now and make my way home. Well, that's it for today, everybody. I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. If you've liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Take care, everybody. Be safe. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.